city of Omaha is retrofitting its fleet of street maintenance vehicles.
It's part of a court settlement over this crash on West Maple back in 2010. 24-year-old Alicia Ray died when she ran into a city truck that had stopped on West Maple while a crew worked on the road.
The city does not admit any wrongdoing, but agrees to improve warning signs for road crews. And KETV News Watch 7's Alexandra Stone now with a report you'll see only on 7.
Flashing lights will shine a little brighter on city trucks around Omaha. They are the legacy of safety for a woman lost in a terrible crash.
We can't lose sight of the fact that someone lost her life, and now can that stand for something more?
Attorney Brian Jordy spent years working on a settlement between the family of Alicia Ray and the city of Omaha after this crash in October of 2010 when Ray ran into a city maintenance vehicle parked on West Maple near 126th. Ray died hours after the crash. Ultimately, the family will receive a monetary settlement from the city and state, but Jordy says what means much more are big changes happening to city vehicles and the way crews do their job.
This is what people expect, and that's why it's the law, and that's why it needs to be followed.
As part of the settlement, the city of Omaha has started phasing in new trucks with brighter lights and retrofitting some older trucks that will be working on major roadways with the updated lights.
Scott McIntyre with the City of Omaha says the city is also reviewing and revising its policies for roadway work.
It's important to try to make that work zone as visible as possible, and one way to do that is with multiple trucks in addition to the lights.
McIntyre says the updates will make the roads safer for everyone.
It's worker safety, it's driver safety, it's everything.
These lights, a bright reminder of a young woman whose life was lost too soon. In Omaha, Alexandra Stone, KETV News Watch 7.
Now, the Ray family attorney says an investigation found Alicia was not on her phone at the time of the crash. As part of the settlement, the family receives $280,000 from the city of Omaha, another $20,000 from the state of Nebraska.